before to like introducing the solo leveling, I'm gonna introduce about the OtherWorld, what we are building for. Actually, the OtherWorld is building a Web3 social protocol. That means providing data to the kind of like provide data with the personal interest or the gender or location or purchasing power of the user to everybody and transparent, and anybody can look at it. Also, we are providing a kind of like a name as C2E tooling. It is kind of like easy to create the NFT or the NFT ecosystem, anybody. But so what we're going to do is from now at the Web3 this field, there is not a platform that a lot of users is using in the world. Mostly the Web3 platform is using just for the Web3 users. We need a massive amount of people to bring the Web2 user to bring to the Web3 world. So I'm using this IP as famous IP. That's like a solo leveling. There's gonna be people maybe know about the solo leveling or not, but it's well known in global IP. It has been 14 billion view in global and 0.2 approximately a fan in global is IP. And this solo leveling is on the started with a novel and webtoon, and then also there is a animation in the Netflix, and there is a game on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store also. And the Web3 platform, Solo Leveling Unlimited, is on the beta stage for now, and it's going to be started live and from this December. So I'm gonna bring the Web2 people through this Solo Leveling Unlimited. As we know, if we introduce some kind of like a Web3 platform to our friend, that the starting point is making them understand about the blockchain wallet and the gas fee, and make them how to pay with the crypto at the payment system. But what I believe is to bring the Web2 people to use our Web3 platform, we need to solve that three problem. So I'm using the so the people doesn't need to use the wallet to log in. The social account, they can use it. And with the Avalanche, we made it gasless kind of like environment. So the user doesn't need to worry about any gas fee, any transaction. And also, I'm integrating the on-ramp. So it is supporting the Google Pay or Apple Pay or the credit card without the KYC. Okay. So I'm gonna show you the video of the solo leveling. So this solo leveling unlimited is on the open beta stage for now. So it's on the Avalanche testnet for now. So So there is about 15,000 users already using. And as you see at the movie, it is not just collecting an NFT. The user can collect the monster cards and they can play with it, combining or leveling up, some kind of like an interaction. But it's not that complicated. Very simple interaction, and who reach it to get the highest level of the cards, they will get some reward from it. In these days, a lot of Web3 platform is trying to give a lot of rewards and very complex kind of like a function or features to reach kind of like a lot of kind of like a quest or like that one. But it's not for the Web2 people. It need to be very simple and easy to understand because we are bringing a lot of massive user to the Web3 world. So the service and the structure supposed to be really simple. As kind of like for the usage, is a lot of people is getting using my yes, it's living unlimited a lot. So also with the there is top 5 country is Philippines, Brazil, and Korea, and Japan, and United States. They are also famous in the animation, and webtoon also is famous in those countries. So the platform is ready. So how I'm gonna promote this platform to the world is collaborating this IP with who is interested in to make collaborative marketing. Such as one of our biggest partners is Animoca Brands. So they are trying. They also interested in using solo leveling IP. With at the right top of it, the My Animalist, that site is the partner of the Animoca Brands, and that site is really famous and old website. They have 20 million user in the world, especially that United States user is 80%. So such as like we are going to make a promotion on that site. And also I'm preparing for a solo leveling unlimited this board game for the at this December. So actually this is a physical board game. So to promoting with the distributor is in the Japan. There's a line messenger is a famous and well-known messenger in the Japan. So we are going to distribute through the Line Friend store and offline and online also. So when they bought this solo leveling board game, they will get some gift card of the solo leveling unlimited to use it. So using traditional that brands with communicating or spreading the information with the brands to the Web2 people. Also, the solo leveling is not just the only IP OtherWorld is building. We have more than 26 IPs, including solo leveling. So all the IPs is going to be really similar structure, but different IP. It's going to be released in the world step by step, one by one, through starting with this December. Also, OtherWorld is backed by the Cube Entertainment, that is Korean entertainment powerhouse. So and we have a partner with Animoca Brands and a lot of Avalanche including, and a lot of powerful brands. So it's gonna be I'm hoping it's gonna be a good success in solo leveling. So thank you for your time, and if you have a question.
Maybe ask again if anyone has any questions. You're more than welcome. This is the space for that. Should we give them one more chance?
Yeah, sure.
One more chance for questions.
There's no
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thank you.